Hey guys, this is Rakshita. So, as I said, I'm going to the Unity of Statue, and this is the bus which will take you to that place. This is me, and I am showing you around. This is really, really beautiful, but it's too hot over there, so I would say wear some comfortable clothes. Also, the statue is really huge. It's a big one, and I think a lot of money has been invested into it. This is a summer splash. They kept it like it's a water fountain. It feels really good inside the AC hall, and this is how inside view it looks like. There's some minimal charges which you have to pay to enter to the unity of statue. So you call it SOU, Statue of Unity. I'm sorry, it should be called like that. Yeah, Statue of Unity. This is, we are on the chest level. We took a lift. I reached to a chest level of that, and then from there we can view the whole of Narmada River, as well as on left side and right side. It's really beautiful. You can experience this one of a time. And inside it was shown like how he fighted the freedom, like he was a freedom fighter, so how he fought the fight. And this, me, I'm taking a video on a library sort of thing, like it's an artificial library, but as usual photo bombed. Bye.